Reed Hall of Science is no stranger to our campus. With its classrooms, lecture halls, computer rooms, and labs, students from all majors have flooded the building. One particular group that's no stranger to Reed Hall are science TAs. With their many jobs, including running all the labs, science TAs play a pivotal role for students and teachers alike. So I decided to get the inside scoop about these valuable individuals. Junior biochemistry major Emily Wasco shares her reasons for becoming a TA.
I wanted the opportunity to learn more about the subject. The first time you're taking the class, a lot of times you're just cramming information into your head, but through your experiences as a TA, you're better able to understand the subject material.
The science TAs aren't the only ones benefiting from this. Students say that they appreciate the help they receive about the material in or outside the classroom.
I think one of the most beneficial parts of having a TA for your classes is just somebody you could go to outside of class if you have any questions about a particular assignment or what you need to know for the course.
In addition, many students say that they enjoy working with their peers.
TAs definitely make lab time more interesting and fun. They kind of add a new element to the lab. I know if you take the time to get to know your TA, those relationships definitely extend throughout your time here at Olivet.
TAs also appreciate the opportunity to interact with younger students from their same field of study.
TAs are able to learn more about the students themselves. They are able to have relationships with them, and they are able to learn more about the younger students in their field who maybe they wouldn't know otherwise.
Furthermore, ONU science professors believe that the work ethics TAs are learning right now will carry over into their careers later.
Our TAs also get an opportunity to demonstrate character qualities like responsibility and initiative and troubleshooting, which are critical for many of their fields in the medical profession.
So whether just a friendly face or an assisting partner, these TAs have certainly left their mark on our campus. For Access ONU, I'm Athena Morehouse.